The creator economy in Kenya is becoming a very big part of the Kenyan economy, and this is providing numerous opportunities that you can be able to tap into. These are opportunities that can help you start an online business in Kenya and also be able to earn extra money in Kenya. And today, there are a number of Kenyans who are already leveraging the power of such platforms as YouTube, blogs, podcasts, TikTok, and Instagram to actually share their knowledge, their skills, their experiences, probably also share their hobbies and passion as well as life experiences, and using those platforms to be able to make money or build additional income streams. And this is something that you also can be able to do, which is why I want to encourage you to actually take time and study, understand how the creator economy works in Kenya, understand how the creator economy is working across the world, and how different people are actually making money in the creator economy. And this is because if you are looking for ways in how you can be able to probably generate extra income in the coming year or in the coming months, then you might consider getting involved in the creator economy. You can be able to share what you already know. You can be able to share the expertise that you have. You probably have knowledge or skills that you have picked from either through the lives that you have gone through or through things that you're already doing at the moment. But you might be wondering or asking yourself, why should I even get involved in the creator economy? And there are quite a number of reasons why you should consider the creator economy in Kenya and why you should pursue a career or build a business based on the emerging creator economy in Kenya. And in this video, I'm going to share with you the reasons why you should consider creator economy as something that you can be able to do, either to build a business or build a career that can be able to generate for you additional income. One reason why you should consider getting involved in the creator economy in Kenya is that it provides you with an opportunity to actually work on something that you are passionate about, whether it is cooking, teaching, fitness, or even sharing your travel experiences, among very many other things. There is an audience for each and every niche or each and every topic. This means you can be able to build an audience in whatever thing that you're interested in, and over time you can be able to build a fully fledged online business in Kenya with the thing that you enjoy or are passionate about. All you have to do is share your knowledge, expertise, your authentic voice, and also create relatable content on the topic or the niche that you are interested in. The second reason why you should consider getting involved in the creator economy in Kenya is that the barriers to entry are actually very low. With just a smartphone or a laptop, you can actually start creating content and you can start sharing it on whatever platform that you pick. In this case, probably I would encourage you to look for platforms that can be able to give you an opportunity to actually build organic traffic over the long term. So you're looking at platforms such as Pinterest, YouTube, and blogging, which is basically leveraging those search engines to create content that actually have a long shelf life. You can also create content and post on the social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, X, LinkedIn, among others. But it's good to be able to differentiate between organic and unorganic sources of traffic or platforms where you can be able to build your audience, because on some of these feeds, your content will be lost within 24 to 48 hours. And that makes it a little bit difficult because it keeps you in that hamster wheel where you have to keep creating content if you are truly going to build an audience. However, if you look at other platforms that probably have a search element in them, you can be able to create a piece of content today and it can still be working for you for a very long time. So you need to learn how those two works. But the most important thing is that that is not expensive to do. The barriers to creating content are very low. As long as you have a smartphone, a laptop, and internet connection, you can actually start your journey on building an online business in Kenya in the creator economy. The third reason why you should consider getting involved in the creator economy in Kenya and building an online business in the creator economy is the fact that you get to control your schedule and you can be able to grow at your own pace. This is different from being employed or doing other sort of businesses. You are going to be in charge of your schedule because you are the one to determine how often you are going to create content, how often you are going to work on your business, as well as how you are going to create this one-person business if that's the model you want as you grow your audience. But the good thing is that as you grow this audience, so does your opportunities to make money increase. So the more you create, the better you will be. The idea of being in charge of your schedule or being in control of your time is one of the reasons why actually many people get involved in the creator economy in Kenya and across the world. This is because you want to be in charge of the things that you do and you probably do not want to be controlled when it comes to time. And an online business in Kenya has that advantage that it can give you not only financial and location freedom, it can also give you time freedom, meaning you can be able to work on it from wherever you are. And that in itself is a very good thing because if you are bored, let's say, with your 9-to-5 job or other activities that require you to be in a certain location and within a certain time period, then looking into the opportunities that come from the creator economy or that are within the creator economy in Kenya provides you with an opportunity to be able to create a different lifestyle. There is a lot that you can do in the creator economy, and that's why I would encourage you to actually take time, study, do research, understand how the creator economy works in Kenya, understand the various business opportunities that you can start in the creator economy or that are actually based on the creator economy, as well as being able to know how you can be able to make money in the creator economy in Kenya. There are quite a number of online business models that you can be able to use to actually make money in the creator economy in Kenya. And this is where doing research and understanding how that ecosystem works becomes of great importance. If you have enjoyed this video, I am sure you are going to enjoy the video on your screen right now. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not, and I'll see you in the next one.